In this video, we're going to go over the Countsheet setup window. To access this window, you're going to select Count Inventory at the top. Once it shows up, you're going to select Countsheet Setup, and that will open up the setup window. The setup window is used for a couple different things. Basically, what it will do is display every single item you carry along with every case size in the system. Using this window, you'll be able to determine what things you want to track, and if you want to count multiple counts with multiple case sizes, you could turn more or less on. Another useful tip is if you select Reset, if you have a bunch of different lines on your count sheets with multiple case sizes, this will take that away, so leaving you with only one line for every single item being the default case size. So you can see it all change there. If you want to bring some stuff back on, you're able to go and select Should Count on multiple cases. So now if we were to generate a count sheet, the croutons would have two lines, one for each case size. Another tool you could use in here is at the top, under the filter, where you'll see the little hourglass here. You're able to click up here, and you could actually use some of these filters to determine if you want to take some stuff off your count sheet. So receive older than. This is a great way to see, okay, if I haven't bought the item in 6 months, now you're going to see that at the top. So maybe it's time to start taking some of those things off your count sheet to speed up the process. So it's a great window to clean up those count sheets and give you everything that you want on them and not too much data. And it's easy enough to use. If you have any questions on this, call us at support at 1-888-798-5555, extension 1.